Here I have TOSHIBA A10-A, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find this power management button. So here you can enable power save, just like this. You can also adjust some of its settings by going to settings, then you go to this power management, and here you can, for example, enable default power management. You can set up power save, or you can customize it. Like you can set up Wi-Fi during sleep and other like system performance, brightness level, sleep, and you can like set up your power saving mode for yourself. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.